Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the normal ECG values chart template. So what is a normal ECG values chart? An electrocardiogram, or an ECG, is a measurement of the electrical activity of the heart. It is used to detect abnormal rhythms of the heart and can help diagnose conditions like congestive heart failure. The ECG measures the heart's electrical activity by assessing the voltage or current charges in the chest area. A graph is then created that displays the electrical activity of the heart. An ECG can provide valuable information about a patient's overall cardiovascular health and is often used to monitor patients with existing cardiovascular conditions. It can also indicate if a person has experienced recent events such as a heart attack. A normal ECG values chart is used to interpret ECG results. This chart contains commonly accepted values for normal ECG readings, which can be compared against the patient's results to determine if any irregularities exist. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this, however, it is commonly used by cardiovascular specialists. Here's how to use a normal ECG values chart. The first step is to fill in patient information, including the diagnosis and medical history. You will then need to complete the ECG components after taking the relevant measurements. To view a sample template of the normal ECG values chart, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download and access the template for free. You can also access the template through Carepatron. Simply filter by community and assessment and type in the keywords to find the template. You can edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.